A blown head gasket can be an expensive repair. Common signs include mixed coolant and oil, excessive exhaust smoke, and low coolant. BARS Leaks Head Gasket Repair One-Step stops head gasket leaks, is antifreeze compatible, and is a simple one-step application. With your vehicle cold, remove the radiator cap, shake well, and pour directly in the radiator or coolant reservoir. Reinstall the radiator cap. Start your vehicle. Turn your fan and heat on high. Then run for 15 minutes. For additional information, visit our website at www.barsgroup.com.